This conversation is about a project planning meeting for launching a new website. The project manager, Elise, project manager. Good morning, everyone. Thank you for joining this project planning meeting. Before we dive into updates, I want to remind everyone that our goal is to launch the new website by the end of the quarter. We need to stay on schedule to meet this deadline. Let's start with development. Bob, can you give us an update on the development progress? Bob, software developer. Good morning, Elise. Sure, we've completed about 70% of the backend development. The user authentication and database setup are done. We are currently working on integrating the payment gateway and should be done by the end of next week. After that, we'll focus on the front-end features, including user dashboards and the product catalog. Elise, that sounds great. Do you foresee any challenges that might delay the timeline? Bob, the only potential issue is the integration with the new payment gateway. It's a bit more complex than we anticipated, particularly with the security protocols. We might need some extra time for testing to ensure everything is secure and functioning correctly. Elise, understood. Let's allocate an extra week for thorough testing of the payment gateway. Catherine, how are we doing on the design front? Catherine, designer. Good morning, everyone. The design team has finalized the main layout and user interface elements. We've received positive feedback on the user flow and aesthetics. We are currently working on the responsive design to ensure it looks good on all devices, including tablets and smartphones. We should have the final designs ready for development handoff in 2 weeks. Elise, excellent. Have you coordinated with Bob's team to ensure the designs align with the development progress? Catherine, yes. We had a meeting last week to go over the design elements. We've made some adjustments based on their feedback to ensure a smooth integration. For example, we tweaked the navigation menu to be more intuitive and aligned with the backend capabilities. Elise, perfect. David, can you update us on the marketing plan for the website launch? David, marketing specialist. Good morning. Our marketing plan is almost ready. We've outlined a strategy that includes social media campaigns, email newsletters, and a series of blog posts highlighting the new features. We are also planning a webinar to demonstrate the new functionalities of the website. Additionally, we are considering running a few paid ads to boost visibility. We aim to start the campaigns 2 weeks before the launch date. Elise, that sounds comprehensive. Do you need any additional resources or support from the team? David, we could use some assistance from the design team for creating graphics and visuals for the campaigns, including banners, infographics, and social media posts. Other than that, we are good to go. Elise, Catherine, can your team handle that? Catherine, absolutely. We'll make sure to prioritize the marketing materials alongside our current tasks. We can start working on the graphics as soon as the main design work is handed off to Bob's team. Elise, great teamwork, everyone. Let's make sure we keep the communication lines open and address any issues as they arise. Does anyone have any other questions or concerns? Bob, I have a quick question about the user testing phase. How many users are we planning to involve, and what's the timeline for that? Elise, good question. We are planning to involve about 50 users from different demographics to get a diverse range of feedback. The testing phase will start 2 weeks after the development is complete and will last for about a week. We want to ensure we capture a wide array of user experiences and potential issues. David, one more thing. Should we prepare any specific content or instructions for the users during the testing phase? Elise, yes, we'll need to provide clear instructions and a feedback form. I'll coordinate with the QA team to ensure we have everything ready. We should also create a detailed user guide that explains the key features and functionalities of the new website. Catherine, I also suggest having a quick follow-up meeting after the user testing to discuss the feedback and make any necessary adjustments before the final launch. Elise, good idea, Catherine. Let's schedule that meeting for the day after the testing phase ends. Bob, during the testing phase, will your team be available to address any critical issues that might arise? Bob, yes, we'll be on standby to fix any critical bugs or issues that come up. We'll also monitor the feedback closely to identify any recurring problems. David, regarding the marketing materials, should we also prepare a set of FAQs based on potential user questions that might arise during the testing phase? Elise, yes, that's a good proactive step. Let's compile a list of anticipated questions and their answers. We can update it based on the actual feedback we receive. Catherine, we can collaborate on that. My team can help design the FAQ section to make it visually appealing and easy to navigate. Elise, excellent. Let's also make sure we have a dedicated support team ready to assist users during and after the launch. We want to ensure a smooth transition and a positive experience for our users. Bob, I can have one of my developers available for support during the initial launch period. David, and I'll have our customer service team briefed and ready to handle any inquiries. Elise, fantastic. Anything else before we wrap up? Bob, nothing from me. Catherine, all set. David, I'm good too. Elise, all right, thank you, everyone. Let's keep up the good work and stay on track. Meeting, thank you for watching. Do like and subscribe. See you tomorrow.